The Operational Period Briefing (OPB) is a critical meeting conducted at the beginning of each operational period in incident management. It serves as a structured forum where incident response teams receive essential updates, instructions, and assignments to ensure coordinated and effective operations. The OPB is most commonly used in the Incident Command System (ICS), particularly in large-scale emergency responses, disaster management, and planned events. Purpose of the Operational Period Briefing. The primary purpose of the OPB is to provide a clear, concise overview of the current situation and operational priorities. It ensures that all personnel involved in the response effort have a common understanding of the incident objectives, resource assignments, safety considerations, and other critical information necessary for executing their tasks efficiently. Key elements of the OPB and effective operational period briefing typically includes the following components: incident objectives and priorities. The incident commander or planning section chief outlines the overall objectives and priorities for the operational period. This includes strategic goals, safety measures, and specific tasks that need to be accomplished. Current situation overview. A situation briefing is provided, covering the latest developments, challenges, and ongoing response efforts. Updates on weather conditions, hazards, and environmental factors that might impact operations. Resource assignments. Each operational unit is given its specific assignments, including task details, geographic areas of responsibility, and coordination points. Resource availability and deployment status are discussed to optimize efficiency. Safety considerations. The safety officer presents potential hazards, risks, and mitigation measures to ensure personnel safety. Any significant changes in the operational environment that may pose risks are highlighted. Logistics and communications. Essential logistical details, including transportation, supply availability, and staging areas, are reviewed. Communication protocols, radio frequencies, and reporting structures are reinforced to ensure effective coordination. Incident Action Plan IAP review. The Incident Action Plan IAP, a document that outlines the objectives and strategies for the operational period, is presented and explained. Personnel are encouraged to ask questions and clarify their roles. Closing remarks and questions. The meeting concludes with any final instructions, reminders, or clarifications. Attendees have the opportunity to ask questions to ensure they fully understand their assignments. Who attends the operational period briefing? The OPB is attended by key personnel involved in the incident response, including Incident Commander and Command Staff Safety Officer, Public Information Officer, Liaison Officer Operations Section Chief and Branch, Division, Group Supervisors Planning Section Chief and Unit Leaders Logistics and Finance Section Chiefs.